Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power down the Huawei Y9 Prime and confirm battery is at least 20%. This prevents interruptions during resets. Once done, remove any external SD card briefly and note your lock method because you may need it later. Press and hold the power key to restart. Watch the lower left corner for a safe mode label. If safe mode disappears after a normal reboot, you're done. If not, proceed to the next step to clear enabled developer or app conflicts. Once your phone boots, you need to isolate the cause. You should open Settings and go to Apps and Notifications. Force stop or uninstall the most recently installed or updated apps that could trigger safe mode. Make sure to disable developer options by navigating to System then Developer Options and toggling it off, because some dev flags force safe mode. Also check Draw over other apps or overlay permissions and revoke them for suspicious apps. After each change, reboot to test whether if safe mode still blocks you, back up your photos and contacts now and perform a factory reset from Settings System Reset Factory Data Reset, because corrupted system settings can force safe mode. If the settings menu is inaccessible, power off, then press power plus volume up to enter recovery and choose wipe data/factory reset. Make sure you understand this erases local data. Troubleshooting tip. If problems continue, wipe cache partition or reflash stock firmware. And if that fails, seek authorized service to avoid bricking the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.